Ever wondered if you can run the PlayStation app on your computer? Here's how to make it happen. First off, Sony doesn't offer a PlayStation app for PC, just mobile devices. But don't rage quit yet. You can still get those sweet features using a couple of clever tricks. Method 1. Android Emulator. Download a trusted emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player from their official sites. Install it, open it up, and sign into Google to reach the Play Store. Then, just search for PlayStation app, install, and log in with your PSN account. Boom! Access your friends, messages, and notifications right from your PC. Method 2. If you want to actually play games, use PlayStation Remote Play. Download it from Sony's official site, install, and connect your controller with USB. Sign in, pick your PS4 or PS5, and get gaming. Just remember, for Remote Play, you'll need a console and a strong internet connection. That's it. Now your PC is basically a PlayStation sidekick. Game on!